We're out here trying to roost some turkeys. It's the evening, and I got my old turkey call out here. It's just out of some leg bones from a turkey and a deer antler. If you want to see how I make these, stick around. We're going to go down to the workshop and put this exact call together.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you how this primitive call sounds here now that it's finished up. When you're using these, where you place it on your mouth is going to make difference in tone, and how you pinch your lips together is also going to make difference in tone. Another thing that is going to change over time is as this dries out. Remember, this was just boiled, so as this dries out more, your tone's going to be a lot sharper. Sorry, the wind's blowing my camera around a little bit. But just check this out. So you use this by sucking in air, basically puckering your lips together and making a kissy sound. So I'll do it in a couple different spots here. Hopefully you can tell the difference there. That's a little softer there. I kind of like that. There you go, guys. That is my turkey bone and deer tine turkey call.